I wanted to show this tool right here because this is real important. If you're going to a tire shop, ask the fella, the technician, the mechanic, whatever, ask them if they use something called Torx. And if he says, what? Be prepared to get your rims messed up. These things will not allow more torque than what's written on them to be delivered through an impact wrench. I want the one that says 100, which is this one. Okay, through there says 100 foot-pounds. This thing will start to twist and flex before it allows more than 100 foot-pounds of torque to be delivered through it. Give it back. This is the most aggravating thing with these sockets. They don't want to come off. Don't blow that away. Give me that back. Okay. Now, star pattern, that'd be here. Run around it. Okay, I've checked them with my torque wrench. And that thing right there, you do what I just did and put a torque wrench on it and set it for 100 pounds and the wrench will click before the bolt will move. So they're accurate. But what happens at a tire shop when they just take an impact wrench and start running your lug nuts back on there, first off you get uneven pressure and you'll bend the rim. And then next time you go you'll say, I got this vibration in my tire. And they'll tell you, well, you got a bent rim. And they'll sell you a rim. That's a full set of torques right there. From the lowest one is 65 foot-pounds, and the highest one up here is 150 foot-pounds. But the sole purpose these things were invented was to keep from bending rims on automobiles. It don't make such a big difference on a tractor, but nevertheless, I want it on there right, and that's the quickest way right there to do it. That set right there was well worth what I paid for it. Alright, I've got to find a cotter key. That's still a problem. But I want to get this back on here because I think I got a clearance issue back over here on the back side. That's always the way it is when I'm buying tractor parts. Never get the right part the first time. But we'll find out here in a minute.